today we're going to be showing you how to refill your lawnmower with gasoline. So first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to find this gas emblem on this cap here. Now your gas tank might be located on a different spot. Just on this Toro 6.5, it's going to be located in the back of it. So once you find that emblem in the gas cap, you're simply just going to unscrew this here and remove it. Next you're going to want to do, you're going to want to grab your gas can. Just make sure got the right type of gas for the mower you need. This one just takes plain gas. And you're just gonna simply pour it in. And then you're just gonna want to go until it gets to the top. You can tell by how it sounds, you hear it kind of filling up, or you can kind of look in there and see. All right, so we're looking good. Then we're gonna want to take our cap, put it back on. All right, and then for our can of gasoline, you're gonna want to put that cap on as well. And there you have it.